Setting up VirtuaWin for multiple desktops and need to import a configuration file. VWP Files. Store custom virtual desktop layouts and settings. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through using these VirtuaWin desktop configuration files. Consider this essential for your toolkit: a single program that can open hundreds of formats, including a partially broken VWP. My top choices here, and we'll discuss more later. A VWP file stores user settings and configuration data for VirtuaWin, a popular open-source virtual desktop manager for Windows. Users interact with this file to back up their personalized desktop layouts, transfer settings to a new computer, or troubleshoot issues with their virtual desktop environment. This is typically a plain text or INI style file, designed for simplicity and human readability. This structure allows users to easily view and manually edit settings like hotkeys, window rules, and desktop names without needing a special tool, prioritizing user control and easy modification. To maintain file fidelity, use VirtuaWin developed by VirtuaWin team to open VWP. Windows can read the file's external properties but not the internal data structure. Windows may load the config file in a text editor, but only informed edits should be made. We are checking the software landscape. Right-click your VWP file and select Open With. If VirtuaWin is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We need to check every possibility. When your VWP file does not open, it is usually a small issue. We're facing a complicated VWP error. Let's move to the testing phase and check these critical common failure points to find the fault. First, importing in VirtuaWin. Open VirtuaWin and access its setup or preferences dialog through the system tray icon. Use the import or load configuration option and select the VWP file. VirtuaWin applies the settings, immediately reconfiguring desktop layout hotkeys and window rules according to the imported configuration data. Next, editing configuration manually. Open the VWP file in any text editor like Notepad++ or VS Code to view and modify settings directly. Adjust desktop counts, hotkey bindings, or window rules by editing the corresponding values. Save the file and re-import into VirtuaWin to apply the manual changes to your desktop manager configuration. Finally, backing up configurations. Locate VirtuaWin's configuration directory, typically in the user profile, and copy the VWP file to a backup location. This preserves your customized settings before system changes or VirtuaWin reinstalls. Restore by copying the file back or using the import function within the VirtuaWin preferences dialog. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.